In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the PayPal digital wallet. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This will work for both Android and iOS, or you can do this process through a web browser. All you have to do is open up the Play Store or the App Store and look for PayPal. Alternatively, if you are doing this through a web browser, go to the PayPal website. As you can see, you will be able to find the app and open it up. You will need to create an account and log in to access the full features of PayPal, and after you do, you will be able to switch over to the Wallets tab, and in there you can see all the payment methods that you have attributed to your account. You will be able to link a debit or credit card and finally a bank account to PayPal. Regardless of which option you choose, you will need to verify all the information, and as long as everything looks okay, the accounts that you linked will appear under your wallet and you will be able to use PayPal in order to make, send, and receive payments. They will be listed under all the payment methods available and you can browse and choose between them. You can set one as default to make payments or change them as you wish under your wallet tab, and you will be able to access either the website or the mobile app as you wish. As long as you have all the details verified and your account is properly created, you will be able to use a digital wallet like PayPal to make and manage your payments. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the PayPal digital wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.